Now you got, yeah. You gotta go into neutral. And then you can do it. Seriously? Hey! Go through the whoop! What? Go through the whoop! Ow! That's why you gotta shift down.
Yeah, I thought it was in second, but...
Nope. And then there's Jordan on the 90. Yeah, right here we made a homemade whoops. Or whoops. Do not, yeah, it's like nothing. That was close. Stop running over my gatorade! Now it's worthless now. It's been in the dirt out in farmland. Little surprise for him is when they come by next, I'm gonna whip it at him open. Not him. He didn't do nothing. Go faster! But him, Mitch, he's gonna get a surprise. Oh, I used about half of it. He got sprayed. Oh. Yeah, it's just a little bit left now. A waste of a gatorade. Yeah, that's nice. I'll just scare him. I'm not going to whip it at him. Oh no, he's got his helmet off. Oh, you missed! He tried spitting on me, but he... Oh no! He got it on my ankle. He's gonna get it. Too bad they just can't zoom in on this camera. Hey, wait, Jordan! Let me ride that for a bit. Let me ride that for a bit. What? Let me ride it for a bit.
Whoa! That was awesome.
I'm gonna chase him down. Oh. Thing, I just dropped the camera. Alright, I'm gonna chase him. I can slow down only by downshifting. Oh crap! Ah! I just went over the homemade whoops. You're horrible. If you do it. If you do it. You made it. Oh, right there.
Why were you doing this?
How was the ride on the 90?
Good.
What about the 125? What do you like better?
Better. 125.
Really? My bike? My bike's better than this little tiny. When he comes back, I'm going to see if we could get a size difference in this little 90. I think it's the perfect size for him.
Little 90. The beast.
Too bad it's slow and burns oil. But that baby right there, mine. I don't know why I'm letting him ride it. Let's compare it. Okay, what they're going to do is a down and back race. They're going to start right here, go down, turn around, and come back. Now, since the 125 is faster, he's going to be parked right here. He's going to have a rolling start. Mitch, hurry up. He's gone. Okay, wait, he stopped.
What?
Yeah, he just killed it. He probably lost. Okay, this is kind of like an unofficial race because it's just messed up now. Technically, he would have won. He would have went. Alright, no. When he comes back, let's do it again. So once he comes back, I'm going to have him stop here, and then you're going to do like a loop around. This way's faster. Make sure once you come around that corner, you floor it completely. Mitch, you got to stop right here.
I do?
Yeah. Turn around. Yeah, you stop right there. You go around that way, go around the silo, and then gun it out in that trail.
Do I just go here and I come back?
Yeah, you go on the same trail. Both of you merge right like in that middle area. Okay?
That would. So where do you want me to go? Just do the bigger race?
You just go. Yeah, you go do the straight. He's going around.
Robert, straight on that side or that side?
The right side. He's going straight on that trail. Going straight. You better go. Going. Go. Oh, you better get it started.
What the hell are you trying to do?
And he doesn't know how to ride the bike.
You shut the fuck up.
Dude, this is going on YouTube, and your mom's gonna see this.
My mom?
Yeah.
When did she ever go on the computer?
I'm gonna show her where it's at, and my dad. And my dad's gonna tell your mom. Yeah. Well, he already won. He's sitting out there. I don't know why, but he always starts out in either third or fourth, which is stupid. He doesn't really know how to ride that bike that good. Looks like Jordan stalled the bike out there. Too bad I don't have zoom. Jordan's trying to start it. Mitch is on his way back. Okay. Now since YouTube only takes 10-minute videos, I'm probably going to stop it soon. So it's under 10 minutes. But I'm going to get a little bit more out of this video. Let's sit right here. Wait for him to come back. Better come back at the next minute or else I'm shutting it off. He's trying to show him how to start it. And Mitch stalled it, of course. Oh, Jordan's got it going. He's going. He's still in first gear, flooring it. Doesn't shift. And here comes Mitch. He probably stalled it. Wow, he's in fourth gear, definitely. Yeah, I'm gonna stop this video now. There'll be another video. And thanks for watching.